Comprehensive Compliance Guide, Section 15 of the Central Goods and Services Tax Act. Section 15 of the Central Goods and Services Tax, CGST. Act forms the cornerstone for determining the taxable value of goods and services within the GST framework. A clear understanding of this provision is essential for tax professionals to ensure compliance and to advise their clients effectively. This guide simplifies the critical elements, enabling informed decision-making in line with the law. The primary measure for determining the value of a taxable supply is the transaction value. This is the actual price paid or payable for the goods or services provided. It applies when the supplier and recipient are unrelated. The price must reflect the sole consideration for the supply. Understanding transaction value ensures that taxable amounts reflect accurate market pricing, avoiding unnecessary disputes. Tax professionals must consider several components when determining the value of supply. These include taxes and levies, any additional taxes or fees imposed under laws other than GST, charged separately by the supplier. Supplier liabilities, cost borne by the recipient but payable by the supplier, such as freight or warranties. Incidental expenses, commissions, packaging, or delivery expenses related to the supply. Late payment charges, interest or penalties for delayed payments. Subsidies, any non-government price-linked subsidies received by the supplier. Each of these elements contributes to determining the taxable supply value under GST regulations. Certain discounts are excluded from the taxable value. At supply, discounts specified in the invoice during the transaction. Post-supply, agreed upon discounts connected to specific invoices, provided the recipient reverses any claimed input tax credit. Documenting discounts properly ensures regulatory transparency and compliance. When the standard transaction value cannot be applied, alternative methods are prescribed by the GST Council. This ensures fair and consistent valuation, even in complex scenarios. Government-notified supply valuations are also determined as per specific recommendations. Section 15 specifies who qualifies as related persons to prevent undervaluation. Directed or managerial relationships. Employment or partnership links. Ownership, control, or familial ties. Business arrangements like sole distributors or agents. Tax professionals must evaluate such relationships to ensure that valuations are compliant with GST provisions. Tax professionals play a pivotal role in ensuring transactions align with GST rules. By adhering to Section 15, they enable clients to maintain compliance, avoid penalties, and foster transparent reporting practices that enhance trust and operational efficiency within the GST framework.